Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I need you to launch Fun. And when you get it done, I need you to go to your Funlets and let's just grab our cool wall. Get it to the height you want, zoom out a little bit, and I want 4 of them. No more, no less. So, hit clone and stack them up just like that. I'm going to even cheat and drag 2 chunks at a time, so there are my 4 pieces of tower. Alright, I want you to zoom out a little bit, right click and move your stuff to the left, and then draw a little itty bitty box, zoom in on that critter, fixate it, right click on it, and choose collision menu, and don't let it collide with anything. Then I want you to grab both pieces, and I want you to clone them, and I want you to stretch them out so there's some distance between them. So these are like posts in the sky that we can attach stuff to. We are going to make an awesome slingshot. Go to the next training movie. Alright, we are going to make an awesome slingshot by using the brush. And I'm going to slide that down to the 0.2 something range. And I'm going to create a little bucket to hold our projectile. I'm going to draw a circle in it and get it so that it's not bumping the stuff. Make sure that my circle fits. If not, I'll use scale to adjust it. And then we're going to simply grab the spring and we're going to attach it from there to there. And we're going to go to the spring menu and I'm going to increase its strength a little and I'm going to take its length and cut it in half or less. See that number 1? I'm going to make sure that my second spring is the same or the same-ish. So I've got the same initial length, but then I'm going to cut it down by hitting spring, make sure I'm on the right spring, and I'm going to shorten it to about 1 again, just like the other one, and increase the strength as well. You want those to be about the same. And then the trick to making this work is to have a trigger. So have one more piece back here and have it attached to the purple and attached to the sky, and then right click on it and give it a delete key. So my delete key I'm going to put, or my destroy key is going to be the letter F, which stands for fire. So go to the next training movie and learn how to shoot. Alright, this is where the fun happens. Uh-oh, my ball ran out because I was too slow. I'm going to go back, and this time I'm going to hit play, and I'm going to immediately hit F. And it didn't quite function perfect. See what you can do to make yours function better. Real quickly, let's try another way to build it. Simply grab your rectangles, clone them, move them to the other side, so we're going to shoot the tower from both sides. I really didn't want the spring, so I'm going to delete it. And this time, I want you to attach a piece of chain. Draw your ball inside the chain, and then hit play. And now grab that chain with the hand tool and stretch it out and try and shoot it that way. See if you can make that work better.
Tweak, adjust, and share ideas with your neighbors as you try and solve it. When you're done, make sure you turn in a screenshot. Friends, if you found this cool, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't hit subscribe, please hit that subscribe button. If you have a question or comment, you can leave it down below. And if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new movie from me, HLModTech, hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.
I'm